Concrete Mixer Truck Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global concrete mixer truck market size will be $8,695.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America concrete mixer truck market size of $3,478.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe concrete mixer truck market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $2,608.65 million. Asia Pacific concrete mixer truck market size of $1,999.97 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America concrete mixer truck market size of $434.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa concrete mixer truck market size of $173.91 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.